This is the experiment in physics. I am explaining the marking scheme which you have to perform in your board examination. You have to perform two experiments, one from each section, 8 marks each, so total 16, one from section A, another from section B. One is from the electricity experiment and another from the optics. And then practical record for experiments and activities 7 marks, and then viva on experiments and activities 7 marks, total 30. Now how you have to write your practical record? For experiments, the steps are aim of the experiment. Like I will explain how to find out the focal length of a given convex lens using V versus U or 1 by V versus 1 by U graph. U is the object distance, V is the image distance. Now, first step is aim of the experiment, like to find the focal length of a convex lens by plotting graphs of V versus U and 1 by V versus 1 by U. U is the object distance, V is the image distance. Now, apparatus needed is given. Theory, you have to write only the working formula and the meaning of the terms, like written here. U is the object distance, V is the image distance, and F is the focal length. Then we have procedure in steps, only the main steps, not in detail. Observation in tabular form, you have to make table. First column is like serial number, then U, then V, then 1 by U, 1 by V, and then 1 by F is equal to 1 by V minus 1 by V minus 1 by U. That formula you have to use. Then calculations from the graph, then result, and then precaution and sources of errors to minimum 2 points. Now, what is the procedure to find out the focal length of a given convex lens? And first we have to find out the rough focal length of the convex lens by focusing a distant object and forming the image, and the distance between the screen and the lens is the rough focal length. And then we have to select, suppose I want to take, I'm just planning for 10 readings, so 5 readings between 1.5f and 2f. So suppose your rough focal length is 20 cm, then between 30 cm and 40 cm, you have to take randomly 5 object distance from the lens, and similarly 5 object distance you have to select between 2f and 2.5f, means 40 cm and 50 cm if the rough focal length is 20 cm. So in this way, suppose this is the lens and we are setting say 20 cm and 25 cm, we are setting any 5 object distance. So keeping this on one position and then putting the screen just behind, we will focus the image of the object pin, like this. Just matching the tip to tip, but there is a parallax error. Parallax error is observed when the image of the object pin and the object pin and the image of the object pin, the tip coincide, but when you shift your eyes, the two will move with two different speed. So that is due to parallax error, means all the image pin, lens and the object pin are not in a single line, means not collinear. To make it collinear, so that the readings you get is error free, we have to minimize or remove the parallax error. For that, we have a 3-dimensional movement. means you can adjust the height of the image beam or sidewise movement or back and front movement, by which we can set the tip to tip matching in such a way that now when you shift your eyes, now when you shift your eyes, the two tips will move together. When you shift your eyes left to right, the two tips will move together. In that case, the parallax error is removed. Now you can take your reading. Reading means the distance from the lens to the object mean is object distance u, and the distance from the lens to the image mean is image distance v. So in this way, by shifting to different position of the object pin, you can adjust the image beam without parallax error, and you can take the reading corresponding reading of image distance for the object, particular object distance. In this way, we can plot the graph. In this case, u is negative and v is positive by sign convention. So in this way, we can plot the graph from the reading u on the x-axis and v on the y-axis. V on the y-axis, the graph is like this, a curve from where you draw a 45-degree line which will intersect it at a point. The perpendicular drawn on the axis will give the value of 2f. U divided by 2, you get the f from v versus u graph. Similarly, if you draw 1 by u versus 1 by v graph, u is negative, so you will get a straight line. The intercept, this is the intercept, and reciprocal of intercept will give the value of focal length from 1 by v versus 1 by u graph. So in this way, actually you will get the two graphs in the second quadrant, because u is negative and v is positive. U is negative and v is positive. So in this way, you can find out the focal length of the given convex lens. Thank you.